In this short video, we'll show you how we can utilize a recipient list or an Excel file in order to generate multiple business cards in one pass. The first thing we'll do is access the product, and in this case we're going to choose the business card recipient list. In customizing this product, all of the customization will take place as a result of information imported into the system via an Excel. Here's an Excel that I prepared in advance in order to demonstrate how the product works. Notice how not all of the fields have a qualification. The title changes for each of the recipients. Not every field has a mobile number, and the format is not consistent across both the mobile and the direct numbers. The length of the email address varies. Not all recipients have a LinkedIn profile. And we're able to drive the location detail addresses merely by putting in the location and customizing the back of the card by giving the card a name. In order to populate the products, merely attach a file that you've created, and we'll supply you with a template, to the product. All of the details will automatically pull into OPM for you to review or edit. In this stage, we're just going to go straight through and preview the products. In generating a proof, you can proof all or some of the recipients. In this case, we're proofing all of the recipients as there's only 5. The first card, John Smith. Notice how everything's pulled through as you would expect. The back of the card is customized with the wave artwork. The Cecilia card is populated by splitting the name across 2 lines because of the business rules in place. And notice how the contact details have automatically reduced in size in order to accommodate the number of fronts we've got to deal with. The back of her card was different to the previous. Emily's card has produced with the title line being across 2 lines, and each of these cards had a different back. The Peter Rabbit card has more contact details than most in that he had all of the contact references. One of the benefits of the software is we have the ability to edit any of the fields that are in the database without having to upload the database again. In this case, we want to change John Smith's name to Jon Smith. You don't have to go and preview every product. You can merely proof the one that you amended. One of the other features is the ability to add a new record on the fly. In this example, we've already uploaded the database, and I'm now going to add a new contact directly into OPM without having to upload the recipient list again. Notice how I haven't worried about the spacings on the mobile number. I've just typed them in without any formatting considerations. For the location, I'm merely going to type in Perth, the location, and I'm going to type in a name for the back image. In previewing this particular business card, the rules have been called upon in order to populate the card. Note how the telephone number has maintained the consistent format, and the back of the card has selected the wave image. Thanks for listening.